Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SMK Technologies. Let's get into today's class. Today we are going to see installation of Java and WebLogic 12c. WebLogic 12c and WebLogic 14c installation are same. There is no differences. Any software requires installation. Installation of a software to your computer so that you can use the software from your disk frequently. For any Java-based application, we need a software called Java installed first. Okay, so we will be taking only about Linux server in this complete training. We won't be taking about Windows because it's pretty simple to understand the Windows architecture. Linux has its own directory structure. When you install WebLogic Java, it would be in this directory structure. Bin folders contains binary files. Config where all config files would present. Log where all log files would be there. Modules where all the modules would be present. Lib where all the library files are present. We are going to see how to install Java first. Before installing Java, we are going to check Java version of our physical machine. For that, we are going to use the command java-version. You can clearly observe it is an OpenJDK version 1.8. With this OpenJDK version, we can't install the WebLogic. So first thing is you need to go to the softwares, then extract the file, then move the file to a particular location. For extracting, we use the command tar-xvzf, and this time we are going to use JDK 8U341 version. List the files. This is the JDK file. Before moving, we have to create a directory to store Java files. Use command mkdir java in the home directory. List the files. Now you can see the Java directory. After creating the directory, you can move the Java file by using this command mv/home/weblogic softwares jdk to which location /home/weblogic/java. Hit the enter. List the files. Go to Java directory. List the files. Now you can see the JDK file under the Java directory. To install Java, use this command export java underscore home underscore equal to slash home slash weblogic slash java slash jdk. Give enter. Export path equal to dollar symbol java underscore home slash bin semicolons dollar path. Give enter. Now check the Java version cd jdk ll cd bin ll java version. Now you can see the Java version as 1.8.0 underscore 341. Now Java will be run on the local. If every time you turn on your physical server before executing Java commands, you give the second command to set the path every time. To avoid this, we are going to set Java as global. For that, first list all the hidden files in the home directory. For listing hidden files, we are going to use this command ls-la. We are going to add the about two lines of commands to the .bash underscore profile file. Whenever we are changing something, we must take the backup of the file or folder. To take backup, use this command cp.bash underscore profile bash underscore profile underscore bkp. bkp means backup. List the files. To edit bash underscore profile, use the command pi.bash underscore profile. Give enter. Further down, give the command wo. Then first line of Java installation command export java underscore home equal to. I copied the path and simply pasting it. Give enter. Again give the second line of our command to Java installation port path equal to dollar symbol java underscore home slash bin semicolons dollar path. Add those two lines and save and quit the file. For save and quit the file, press escape semicolon WQ enter. To set global Java, use this command source dot bash underscore profile. Check the version of Java hyphen version. Java installation is completed. Now we can see the installation of WebLogic. For this training, we are using GUI mode. Go to softwares folder. Unzip the WebLogic 12c file. This will take some time. Wait for it. Flash the files. Now you can see the jar file of WebLogic 12c. Now we are going to use the command to install WebLogic java-jar calling the file. Then it will launch a Oracle Universal Installer. First, we give the inventory path /u01/apps/Oracle. Then click on OK. Then you see like this on the welcome page. It shows the which version of WebLogic we are going to installing. Click on next. Choose the option skip auto updates. Click on next. Give the path of Oracle home u01/apps. Click on next. This time we are going to use the coherence. Click on next. It will check the prerequisites for installing WebLogic. Click on next. Save the response file. This file is useful to install WebLogic in the silent mode of installation. Then click on install. Wait for some time. Click on next. Uncheck the automatically launch the quick start configuration wizard because we are going to create domain separately. Click on finish. WebLogic 12c installation is completed. Now we are going to see the common paths we are going to use in the future. First one, Java home. Java home means where the Java files are present. This is the Java home. To know the path, give the command pwd. This is the Java home path. Next one, middleware home. cd u01 apps oracle middleware. This is the middleware home. To know the path, pwd. This is the path of middleware home. Now we are going to check the WebLogic home. cd wl server. Give the command pwd. This is WebLogic home path. Domain home /u01/apps/domain name. As of now, we are not created the domain. In the next class, we are going to see how to create domain. Thanks for you watching this video.